when some people crying because one game caught their sleep while others are jubilating, the reason is that there's something those guys who are winning knows that you don't know. There's something they do that you don't do. Check out this platform, NexusTrade. NexusTrade is an arbitrage opportunity platform. Any kind of arbitrage opportunity, be it football arbitrage, you can see it right here. You can see football arbitrage, Fiat arbitrage, ad arbitrage, traffic arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, global arbitrage. Inside all these arbitrages, there are so many arbitrages inside this platform. So all you have to do is just to subscribe to this channel and also put on the bell notification, because I'm going to be walking you throughout how this platform works. Okay, this platform have a VIP and also have free version that you can use and start earning for free. Before I continue, this video is strictly for educational purpose and not a financial advice. Make sure that you trade what you know you can afford to lose. Do not trade what you know you cannot afford to lose. All right, so let's get back to this particular video, because this video is going to be very, very interesting. Now, in this NexusTrade, all you have to do is just to create an account, and immediately create your account, verify your account, and also log into this interface you are seeing. So what you have to do is just to go down to the menu and scroll down. You can see there are so many opportunities right here. You can see much opportunities, football opportunities, every kind of opportunities as you can think of. So what I click is crypto arbitrage. So inside this crypto arbitrage, you now see different kind of arbitrages inside this place. All right, so what you have to do is to click on this football arbitrage and scroll down to live arbitrage, as you can see right here. Click on live arbitrage, allow it to load. All right, once it opens up like this, and the good thing about this platform is that there will be a notification to tell you that there is a new arbitrage. Even if you close the app, the notification will have a sound. So it's very nice. Now you can see the arbitrage opportunities for today. You can see this is Fulham versus Chelsea. You can see the prediction is over 2.5. You can see a two-way arbitrage. So you are going to be betting on lovig.ag and 1xbet. Now you can see the good thing about this app is that it will tell you how to stake the bet so that you don't lose. The only reason or only way you can lose is that if the arbitrage is no longer there, because that's why you see that there is no guarantee in arbitrage because of time factor. Now it says you can stake 500 and something. So if you are using Naira, it's equivalent to Naira and USDT. So the same 500 in USD is what you use, but your profit will be small than someone who is using 500 USDT. So if you stake 557.56 USDT in this Booker, then you stake on 1xbet, all right, then with 442.4 USDT. Now you can see after you stake it, your profit at the end is going to be 92.82 USDT, which is 8.49%. And you can see it right here. There is nothing like wayo in this platform. This platform, they tried a lot, I can tell you. Now, the same to tell you that this platform doesn't deceive people is going to tell you everything you have to know. It's an excursion order. Please, this is sequence. Now it's going to tell you the first one you should play. So the first one you should bet on is the lowest odd, which is 1.96 on this platform, which is lovig.ag. You're going to play that one because that one might likely come to avoid risking your fund. So the next one is the next one is to play the under, because you're going to play over on the other platform and play under to the other platform. So any outcomes you still win. So you're going to play this one on 1xbet, which is the odd is 2.36 on 1xbet. All right. Now look at the risk here. He said over low, high risk, under high risk. So it's going to tell you the limit of these platforms. That's why he said high risk. Okay. So you are going to make sure that you don't exceed the 200 limit deposit on this platform. The only deposit you can do here is 200 USDT, and the 1xbet is also $200. Okay, so you don't exceed it. That's why he said high risk, so that when you deposit that 500 they mentioned right here, your money might stock, okay, or need additional verification based on your betting platform. All right. Now you can see everything right here as it has been written, everything clear. So even if you said 500 like this, so on your own, what you have to do, because this platform just made everything easy, go up here, come up here, all right. Inside this up here, change this, all right. So I think you're gonna do something right here, but you can still change it to, let's say, 150. Let's say we want to use 150, all right. So 150, allow it to refresh so that you can see it's refreshing automatically, just to tell you that the arbitrages you see here are not fake arbitrages. They are all real arbitrage in this platform. All you have to do is just to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be telling you more about this platform, because this platform is just a new platform. You can't see it on Play Store. You can't see it anywhere. All right. So follow up. You can see engine refreshes. So and it accepted the 150. So now it has refreshed normally 83.63 on platform A and stake 66.37 on platform B, which is 1xbet. Now the profit right here is 13.92 USDT. So if you are in Nigeria trying to practice this arbitrage, you will find out that 13 point something USDT is not a small money. So when you scroll down, you find out there is another opportunities right here. This one is say Hull City versus Manchester. You can see it right here. You can see, and you can see the profit is 8 point something USDT. When you scroll down, you can see here. So if you want to filter, you go up. You want to see only arbitrages alone, click on these arbitrages. As you can see, true arbitrage, click on it. Right now you can see true arbitrage is just 3. All right, because it changes to tell you that the arbitrage is working. That's why you need to be fast in placing it. Now you can see it has refreshed again. The true arbitrage right now is 11 true arbitrages to tell you that the platform is working. The platform is producing good arbitrage opportunity. You can see it, see Brighton, to tell you that arbitrages are working. This is Brighton here. Okay, scroll down again. You can see Arsenal. You can see opportunities. Small time, if you don't bet quickly, it might go out. All right. And the good thing is that you just need to have only 2 platforms, platform A and platform B. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see this platform and 1xbet. All right. So you can see another one in 1xbet. You can see Bet365 and Winner Hell. So the arbitrages you see here, they are perfectly legit arbitrage opportunities. And I can tell you that football arbitrage is more easier than crypto arbitrage, because all you have to do is just to deposit on platform A and platform B. All right. And whenever arbitrages comes to that opportunities, you take advantage of it. You stake quickly before they discover that their odd is not balanced. Okay. So what is arbitrage? Arbitrage simply means taking advantage between price differences. So when you spot an arbitrage opportunity, you take advantage with the price differences. So guys, this is how the football bettors make money through football betting without losing money. But if you don't know, you think that you accumulate 15 football teams with 100 naira to make money. No, this is the way those people do it, but they will not tell you. So this platform, NexusTrade, has exposed everything. Subscribe to this channel right now, or join my Telegram channel to get registered and start making use of this free platform for free. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video. I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.